I got a new tool. I've had a desire for a while now to make my own, at least single-sided PCBs. So I have access to a fiber laser now, and I figured I could, etch my own boards without having to do all etching and, actually using chemicals to etch the boards. Well, as a part of it, I want to be able to cut the boards with a CNC router. Well, this router is my smallest router, and this is a little bit bigger than what I need for a tiny, like 1 inch by 1 inch circuit board. So I'm gonna say I don't have a lot of faith that this is going to be an amazing machine for $150, but I bought the Vivor, their little tiny $150 CNC router. It's a Gerbil-based router. It's the first Gerbil-based machine that I have because I want to play around with Gerbil anyways. So instructions, it looks like it'll go together pretty good. It's the S3018 Pro. There's the bed. Here's some of the side rails. Here's all the smooth rods and drive screws here. And then here is pretty much everything else. It looks to be that it goes together pretty easily. I've already kind of scanned the instructions a little bit. The spindle head and Z-axis here. So I will do a time-lapse video of building it, maybe a YouTube video to show building this thing up. But this is my new machine. And I have the bits for PCB routing anyways, so this, only had these for 5 years. So we'll see how this build goes, and I'll have some demo videos to show how the machine kind of pans out, see what we have for like run out in the spindle, and go from there.